Hey, what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. We are in the month of April 2022, which of course is Easter. So we have this pretty cool blank, black and orange, has some flaming look to it, the way it's swirled. I'm gonna turn an egg, kind of do a little dragon egg theme, or try to. We'll see what happens with it, right? You never know, but there's no wood in this, just resin. Did this casting a while back, and it's time to get her done. Let's hop to it. Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little post-Easter project. So Easter, of course, was last weekend, and everybody did Easter eggs, so I decided I'm going to do a dragon egg. So this is a custom blank that I poured out of black and orange mica powder. There's a little bit of sparkle in there. As you saw, sanded it up to 400, did the micro mesh up to 18,000 grit, and then did the buffing system for the final shine on that. So I think it looks really good, but there is a dragon egg. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. I was inspired to do this video by my good buddy Tim over at Bad Apple Woodworks. I'll put a link to his channel right up here. Definitely go check out his Easter egg that he did. It was a lot of fun. And give him some support and like his channel, subscribe to it, and check him out. At any rate, we'll catch you all next time.